In this video, we are going to show you georeferencing in the ArcGIS Pro software. As a brief explanation, georeferencing means that the internal coordinate system of a digital map or aerial photo can be related to a ground system of geographic coordinates. To get started, you need to import your map into the software. Go to your desired path and select the folder where the map has been placed. Select the folder section from the catalog. Your folder will be displayed here. You can import the map to the software by drag and drop. By importing it, a message will be displayed in the software that says the coordinate system is unknown. This message is displayed because the map has no coordinate system. If you zoom to layer, you will not see the map on the aimed area where the map belongs to, because there is no coordinate system for this map. Go roughly on the area where the map belongs to. Click on the imagery option. You must have clicked on the map. Select the Fit to Display option. The map appears in this section. In order to give exact coordinates to the map, it is necessary to select the Add Control Points option. Go to the corners of the imported map and left-click and right-click on the corner of the map. If you have X and Y coordinates, you can put them here. Otherwise, check the Show Coordinates in DMs option. We write the longitude and latitude from the map in the open table. Make sure that you write these numbers accurately and correctly. And finally click on OK. We must enter at least 4 ground control points in the same way so that the map can be coordinated. So we select 4 corners of the map. Here, as you can see, by turning the map off and on, you can find out its correct coordinates. We zoom in on an area. You can see the correctness of the georeferenced operation by turning it off and on. Finally, you can save the final file. Or take an export using Save as New.